Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, I find myself having to repeat this phrase because I cannot think of a more apt phrase that captures the essence of this particular story that I am about to bring you. So the phrase, of course, is "wonders will never end," which is something I said in 2-3 videos ago, but I'm finding myself having to repeat that because it suits perfectly for this video. So with that guys, I bring you this. Xenophobia. Trump threatens Cyril Ramaphosa's South Africa with economic sanctions. So that's the headline. Xenophobia. Trump threatens Cyril Ramaphosa's South Africa with economic sanctions. So Trump, a virulous Nigerian hater, is now backing us in this beef with South Africa. So let's get into exactly what Trump has to say. Xenophobia attacks geared towards Nigerians and other foreign nationals have resulted to death and collapse of businesses in South Africa. These anti-nationalistic attacks have prompted angry reactions from the American president. The American president took his dissatisfaction to his Twitter handle, threatening sanctions on African states. These barbaric attacks by South Africans is very disappointing. It is time we put South Africa under strong economic sanction, Trump tweeted. The American president continued his lamentation by asking the South African president to get his act together. First, it was the minority white people, now it's the African. Either Cyril gets his people in line or we pull out all our investments and they learn. So this is what Donald Trump has to say. And Donald Trump, of course, is a virulous anti-Nigerian person because he's never slow in coming forward to give Nigeria as a state a kicking. But in this particular instance, he has found it necessary and deemed it necessary to go after the South Africans because what they are doing, of course, cuts beyond the pale of acceptability. So now this is now the goings on now. As I said, wonders will never end. Donald Trump, of all people, back in Nigeria in the beef that we're having, and I'm saying beef, of course, this is more tragic than just a beef because a beef, of course, is just a disagreement where you're exchanging words, but these guys are actually exchanging machetes and rock stones and whatnot. So it's gone beyond the beef because they are burning down rather Nigerian businesses in their country, etc. And this has now triggered Donald Trump to the point that he's having to take a position on it. Conversations in the comment section is what I am inviting. Donald Trump backs Nigeria. Did you ever think you would see the day? Is my question to you. So come tell me what your thoughts are about what old Donny Boy has to say about the goings on between Nigeria and South Africa. But before you come, tell me about what you think about what Donny Boy has to say. Click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what you are making of the American president's position in the beef between Nigeria and South Africa. I'll meet you there in the comment section. Leave you here in this video so we carry on the conversation in comments. But here I say peace.